with my science fair project.
When is it due?
Tomorrow.
Why didn't you work on this?
Because they gave it to us in September. That wasn't enough time for me.
That was 5 months ago.
I thought I could get it done in one night.
Oh my gosh! We need the organized kids! Hello, we're the organized kids. We're gonna show you how to manage your time.
Managing time is being organized. You can manage your time by setting goals for important things. You can do this by organizing your steps.
Our example is the science fair. First, you have to figure out what you want to do. Gather your supplies and set time aside to work on the project.
Once you do that, start organizing where you'll put the paper, paint, or whatever crafting tools you'll use.
After you get the supplies ready, you figure out the first step. Then you do this step and repeat a few times.
First, know where you'll put the things. Don't glue or paste until you're happy with where your things are.
So be sure you break the big project into steps. Schedule each step with lots of time.
And stay on schedule.
And clean up the clutter of your life.
Managing time is being organized. Let's start with 5 different rules.
Make time for setting your goals.
Break each goal into smaller parts.
Make a checklist with deadlines for each part of your goal.
Add your checklist deadlines to your calendar.
Leave time for when goals take longer than expected. Our example is the science fair. A lot of times, teachers will really help break down big assignments into parts.
You betcha. Our teachers at Baden Academy broke down each part of the science fair preparation and set a deadline. If only we could rewind time once it happened, I'd go back and break each goal into smaller parts, make checklists with deadlines for each part of my goal, and remember to add my checklist deadlines to my calendar. But why do goals take longer than expected?
There's actually a real science behind that. It's called planning fallacy. 2 Nobel Prize winning social scientists showed through lots of experiments how all people tend to be really optimistic about how quickly they can do things. We are very good at underestimating how long something can take.
Oh, so that's why it's important in planning to leave time for when goals take longer than expected. Remember, keep calm and make a list.